Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like our pleasant weather pattern is going to continue for the next several days, as we have seen a warmer day today, but another batch of cooler air is going to be invading the area for the next few days. You can see the next disturbance here producing some rain across the upper Midwest. This is what's going to swing down to the south and again kind of reinforce the cooler air that we have in place. And then there's another disturbance behind it that will take a little bit more of a southerly course, and as a result it may squeeze out a few showers for us for Sunday. Meantime, here's a look at what we can expect as far as temperatures tonight, with a clear sky and with a light wind. Once again, looking at lows in the 50s all across the area. Not quite as cool as we've seen over the last couple of nights, as we'll see lows tonight in the mid to upper 50s, right around 57 degrees in Texarkana, 58 degrees in Shreveport, 56 degrees in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow should rebound back up into the upper 70s north to the low to middle 80s south. 84 tomorrow in Natchitoches, 82 in Shreveport, 77 degrees, I should say, in Texarkana, and an even 80 degrees for the high tomorrow in Mount Pleasant. As far as rainfall, as I mentioned, smooth sailing here, nothing to worry about as our drier air just gets reinforced. We will see the wind begin to shift around to the north and northeast late tonight, and with that northeasterly wind taking shape, that'll begin to usher in a little bit cooler and drier air into the Arklatex once again tomorrow. And then tomorrow night we will see a mostly clear sky with a few high clouds mixed in at times. And Friday we will close the work week with lots of sunshine. As you can see here, as that light northeasterly wind more than likely will continue keeping the moisture in the Gulf of Mexico and keeping our skies mostly sunny. Longer range, we will be watching a cold front which is going to move into the region pretty much early Sunday. You can see Saturday we will see a mix of sunshine and clouds with a southeasterly wind. Temperatures Saturday will be warming back up into the mid to upper 70s. And then here comes the front. You can see the rain beginning to develop Sunday night with a few showers across much of the area late Sunday night into Sunday morning. This rain should move out of the region during the morning hours Sunday, and then we will see perhaps a little bit of a decrease in the clouds late Sunday, as this basically will reinforce the below normal temperatures that we've been enjoying here recently. Don't expect a whole lot of rainfall from the system coming in. Models showing that most locations will stay well below a quarter of an inch. Might see slightly heavier totals further to the north and west, up towards Idabel, Clarksville, a quarter to maybe a third of an inch possible there. But again, rainfall totals will be very, very light here Sunday, and that's probably going to be it as far as the rainfall for the next 7 days. In the tropics, we are still watching a disturbance which is now making its way into the western Caribbean. You can see the National Hurricane Center does indicate there is a medium chance that we could see this system possibly develop into a depression here in the next 4 or 5 days. Still a big question as to where it's going to go and if it's going to develop after that. Some models keep it relatively weak and move it into the southwestern Gulf. Other models do basically send it this way and do develop it heading into next week. So this is something we're going to have to watch as we go through the next week to 10 days here as far as possible tropical developments. But right now it looks like this will, if it does develop, stay to our east. But we'll be watching it nonetheless very, very closely. Next 7 days, in the meantime, looking relatively quiet, as your 7-day forecast shows plenty of sunshine for the next 3 days. We'll see 82 tomorrow. Notice the lows falling back to the low 50s, daytime highs in the mid to upper 70s. There's that chance for the shower for Sunday, and then we'll see plenty of sunshine for the first half of next week. As temperatures begin to warm up again, we'll see highs eventually return to the low 80s by Wednesday. Overnight lows all week long will stay in the 50s, and likely we'll have to wait till the end of next week to see nighttime lows return to the 60s across the area. So it looks like our streak of nice weather is going to continue, minus a possibility for a little bit of rain Sunday morning.